Hello, and welcome to a fresh dive into the world of health and wellness. Today, we're spilling the beans on 10 sustainable weight loss tips that can transform your approach to shedding those extra pounds. Say goodbye to quick fixes and hello to long-lasting results. Starting off with tip number 1, ditch sugary drinks. Replace them with water or unsweetened tea. Your taste buds might need some time to adjust, but the calorie savings are worth it. Moving on to tip number 2, portion control is your best friend. Trick your brain into feeling full with less by using smaller plates and bowls. Tip number 3 encourages you to move your body. Whether it's taking the stairs, parking a little further from the store, or doing bodyweight exercises at home, every bit of movement counts. For tip number 4, make fruits and vegetables your new pals. They're not only packed with fiber and nutrients, but also help you stay fuller for longer. Tip number 5 highlights the importance of sleep. Lack of sleep can lead your body to crave more calories. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip number 6. Protein is your powerhouse. It not only keeps you full, but also helps in building muscle, which in turn burns more calories even when you're at rest. Tip number 7. Never skip meals. Skipping meals can throw your metabolism off balance. Instead, focus on eating regular meals and healthy snacks to maintain steady energy levels. Tip number 8. Start cooking more at home. This gives you control over what ingredients and how much of them you're using. Plus, it's a fun skill to hone. Tip number 9. Be vigilant about reading food labels. Keep an eye out for added sugars and hidden fats that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. And finally, tip number 10. Find an activity that you truly enjoy. If you love what you do for exercise, it won't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to keep at it. In summary, these 10 tips are not just about losing weight. They're about making healthier lifestyle choices that last. Embrace these changes, enjoy the journey, and watch as your body thanks you in countless ways. Remember, the path to a healthier you is paved with consistent, manageable actions. Start incorporating these tips today and step into a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to take action on what you've learned today.